Okay, so everybody look at this. Look at this. Look at the next item, 3.5. Item 15. Item 15. এই যে আমরা করতেছি। Look at the picture and listen to the description. Basket 1 to 4. Very beautiful item. আমি এখন তোমাদেরকে অডিও প্লে করব। অডিও প্লে করে আমি একজন একজন করে ধরবো কোনটার প্লে করেছে, কোনটার কথা বলতেছে, অডিও কোনটার কথা বলতেছে। ওকে, নাও এভরিবডি লিসেন টু ইট ভেরি অ্যাটেন্টিভলি। অডিও উইল বি প্লেড। অডিওতে একটা বাস্কেটকে বর্ণনা করবে and you will say which basket it is. Now listen to it. Now listen to it.
3.5. 1. In my basket, there's some yogurt and some bananas and a bottle of lemonade. There's some bread and some butter too, and some biscuits. There's some grapes and a bottle of olive oil.
Tell me which basket it is.
Sir, it is number 3. Sir, it is basket number 3.
Saif, which basket it is?
It is basket number 2.
Mawa, which basket it is?
It is basket number 3.
Tasmia, which basket it is?
So it is basket number 3.
Basket number 3. Why it is basket number 3?
Because in basket number 3 there are yogurt, there are biscuit, there is a bottle of lemon juice, bottle of olive oil, then there is butter, there is bananas and grapes.
3.5. 1. In my basket, there's some yogurt.
There are some yogurt. This is yogurt.
And some bananas.
And some bananas.
And a bottle of lemonade.
And a bottle of lemonade.
There's some bread.
There are some bread.
And some butter too.
And some butter too. A butter.
And some biscuits.
And some biscuits. It's a biscuit.
There's some grapes.
There is some grapes.
And a bottle of olive oil.
And a bottle of olive oil. Okay, now come to the next item. সবাই খেয়াল করবে দেখি কি আগে বলতে পারে।
2.
There's a loaf of bread, a bottle of milk, and some chicken in my basket. There are some grapes and some biscuits, and there are 3 oranges. There is also some pasta.
Which picture it is?
Sir, basket number 1.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now I am playing again.
There's a loaf of bread in my basket and a bottle of lemonade. There's some pasta, some ham, and some cheese, and 3 oranges. There's also some yogurt and some butter.
Which basket it is?
Sir, basket number 4.
Basket number 4. Very good.
4.
In my basket, there's a bottle of milk and a bottle of olive oil. There are 3 bananas and 3 oranges. There's some cheese, some cream, some pasta, and there are also some biscuits.
Which basket it is?
Basket number 2. Basket number 2.
Basket number, okay. এখন now one person will tell about any basket, but he or she will not tell which basket he is describing. and his partner will say which basket it is. His partner will say which. আমি বলতেছি আমার বাস্কেটে, in my basket, যেমন করে তোমরা শুনলা, in my basket there is a bottle of lemonade, there is a bottle of olive oil, there are some bread, there are some biscuits, there are some bananas, and in my basket there are some grapes and yogurt and some butter. Which basket it is? তো আমার 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 বন্ধু মনে করো, আমার পার্টনার শাহনওয়াজ বলে দিল, স্যার দিস ইজ বাস্কেট নাম্বার বি অথবা বাস্কেট নাম্বার সি, এরকম করে একজন এক একটা বর্ণনা করবে, অন্যজন সেটা বলবে কোন বাস্কেটের কথা সে বলতেছে। নাও I will ask হাফসা তার এত পর্যন্ত কথা বলতে পারে, হাফসা আগে বলবে। Hafsa will describe any basket for the first time, and Maisha will say which basket is it. Hafsa will describe any basket as she likes. যে বাস্কেটটা সে পছন্দ করে ওইটাই সে বর্ণনা করবে, কিন্তু বলবে না সেটা এ না বি না সি।
Okay, sir.
This will be discovered by Maisha বলবে this is you are describing, অথবা this is basket number 8, or D basket number B basket number C. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now Hafsa, you will describe any basket you like. তোমার নিজের বাস্কেট বলে, in my basket there are এই জিনিসগুলো আছে, কিন্তু বলবো না সেটা কোন বাস্কেট। মাইশা উইল বলবে যে এটা বলা শেষ করার পরে, after you complete your description, then Maisha will say which basket it is. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Hafsa, you start.
In my basket there are 3 orange. There are some breads. There are olive oil. There are some grapes. There are yogurts. There are butter.
Which basket it is, Maisha? বলো, মাইশা বলো। It's
3-number basket.
is basket number C. নাকি?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maisha, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now কি জানি ছেলেটার নাম? ছেলেটার নাম তো ভুলে গেলাম। Saif will describe one basket and Mawa will say which basket it is. In my basket, বলো।
In my basket,
There
are a bottle of
is আর এগুলো ঠিক রাখতে হবে। There is a
olive oil, a bottle of olive oil, and a bottle of milk.
there is a barbar, there is a
There is a cheese. There is some oranges.
there are some oranges.
There are some oranges. There are some bananas, some breads, and biscuits.
না, সবসময় দেয়ার ইজ দেয়ার, আমরা মূল কথাটাই হচ্ছে আমরা দেয়ার ইজ দেয়ার ঠিক করতেছি, এগুলো নামগুলো বলে দিলে কোনো লাভ নাই। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। মাওয়া, হুইচ বাস্কেট ইট ইজ? মাওয়া, হুইচ বাস্কেট ইট ইজ?
Basket number C.
বলো,
B.
দিস ইজ বাস্কেট, বলো
This is basket B.
basket B. Okay. Now Tasmia will describe one basket and Nazifa will say which basket it is. In my basket, প্রতিটা আইটেমের আগে there are বলতেই হবে।
In my basket, there are 3 oranges and 3 pieces of chicken.
No, there are প্রতিটা আইটেমের আগে, বুঝছো মা?
Yes, sir.
সেপারেট বাক্য বলতে হবে।
Okay, sir. There are 3 oranges. There are 3 pieces of chicken. There is a bottle of milk. There is some bread. There is a cup of yogurt, there is some biscuits, there is a grapes,
There are some grapes.
there are some grapes, and a packet of pasta.
Thank you very much. There is a piece of bread অথবা loaf, L-O-A-F, L-O-F, loaf মানে রুটির টুকরা. There is a loaf of bread অথবা there is a piece of bread. Okay, thank you very much. And who will কার কথা কে যেন বলবে এটা? Nazifa, which basket it is?
This is basket number.
Now, Maisha will describe one basket and Shahnaz will say which basket it is. Maisha will describe one basket and Shahnaz will say which basket it is.
In
Maisha,
my basket, there are 3 oranges. There are some bananas. There are cheese. There are a bottle of milk.
there is
There are a bottle of olive oil.
একটা বটল
There
যখন
is
হবে
a
তা আর
bottle of
হবে না
olive
মা,
oil.
একটা বটল যখন হবে আর হবে না, ইজ হবে। দেয়ার ইজ এ বটল অফ মিল্ক, দেয়ার ইজ এ বটল অফ লেমনেড, এরকম। তারপর বলো।
There is a yogurt. There is a packet of pasta.
Shanawaz, which basket it is?
It is number B.
It is basket B. Is it correct? Yeah, Maisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Sarah will describe one basket and Tasmia will say which basket it is. Tasmia will say which basket it is. Sarah, you describe one basket. In my basket, bolo.
In my basket, there is a lemon juice. There are some bread. There are some banana. There is a olive oil. There is a biscuit packet. There are some bread.
Okay, which basket it is, Tasmia?
Sir, this is basket number C.
Is it correct, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it